Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and OS because the installation path differs. Next, open System Settings and go straight to Personalization or Display. This gets you to Screensaver or lock options fast. Once there, check Resolution and Power Preferences so the screensaver runs correctly without dimming conflicts. If your OS lacks a built-in screensaver, make sure you have administrator rights to install third-party apps. For security, you should also enable Screen Lock after the screensaver activates. Now you decide between a built-in option and a downloaded screensaver, and you should know why. Built-ins are simple and secure. Third-party offers customization. If you download, verify the digital signature and run the installer with admin privileges. Once installed, open the screensaver settings to preview animations, set the idle wait time, and choose whether the saver pauses on system activity. Make sure multiple monitors are handled correctly. Choose clone or extend behavior. Finally, apply your settings and test them by using the preview and letting the system idle for the set wait time. Confirm the lock behavior works as expected. If the screensaver shows a black or blank screen, check GPU drivers and the power plan, because power saving can suspend animations. Also confirm the saver file path and permissions. If problems persist, reinstall the saver or boot into safe mode to isolate software conflicts, and then reapply settings once the underlying issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.